feels right, feels right, feels right. Don't know what I do, but it feels right, feels right, feels right. Then I'll keep it going 'cause it feels nice.
Hey guys, so what's up and welcome to my channel. So as you can see, this is the look for today's video. I really like the way this look turned out. If you want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. So I'm just going to go ahead and then do my eyeshadow real quick. I'm going to set my base with the MAC Studio Finish concealer. I'm going to apply that all over my lid, and then taking a sponge to diffuse it out. So I'm going to go ahead and then go in with this yellow shade right here, and this is from the Huda Beauty palette. So I didn't set my lid, I'm just going in with my eyeshadow to really get the pigment out of the eyeshadow. So I'm basically applying that in the inner corners, blending it with I'm going in with a very soft hand to blend that out, and then gradually building it up. So I think we are okay now, and I'm going to go in with this I don't know which shade to use right now. I don't know if I should do the pink. I think I'll go in with the pink. Yeah. So now with a different brush, this is the Zoeva 228 Luxe Crease brush. I'm going to dip into this shade right here. It's a turquoise blue. I'm going to take that and then apply that right next to the pink shade. Now I'm going to go ahead and then cut my crease with the MAC Studio Finish concealer. Now I'm going to go in with this shade right here. Let me swatch it for you guys to see. It's like a rose gold. I don't know. Let me show you guys. This is how it looks like. So I'm going to go in with the purple shade right here, and then using that to diffuse these two shades together. So I want that I'm using that to diffuse these two shades together gradient effect. Now I'm going to go in with this eyeliner. This is the NARS eyeliner. So now I'm going to take this black eyeshadow right here. If you can see this black eyeshadow right here. The brush I'm using is the Zoeva 230 Luxe pencil brush. I'm using that to smoke out the outer V. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me tilt myself and come closer. I'm gonna take the brush I used to apply the turquoise blue shade. I'm not going to dip into the shade again. I'm just going to use the residue on the brush to kind of blend out the black eyeshadow. So as you can see, I have my lashes on. I did my lashes and mascara off camera. Now I'm going to move on to the face. I'm going to prime my skin with the MAC Prep and Prime skin base. I'm going to put a fair amount on my fingers and then warm it up on my fingers and then apply that all over my face. And for foundation, I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation. I'm going to go in with a tiny bit at the back of my hand, just this much, and then using my fingers to dot it all over my face. Now taking this sponge and then blending everything into the skin. I'm going to conceal with the Jordana Complete Cover. This is a concealer and a foundation as well. It has a very good coverage. So I'm putting a little bit at the back of my hand, taking a brush and then applying it at the high point of my face. Just a little bit on the forehead, the bridge of my nose. Now I'm going to clean out my eyeshadow. So now I'm taking a sponge to blend everything out. So I like to blend out the under eye last because I want it to sit for a while, and this is going to give me a fuller coverage. And I'm going to contour with this one right here. This is the MAC Cream Contour Palette. A little bit on the cheeks because with this a little bit goes a long way. Taking the Makeup Revolution London contour brush to blend out my contour. Take the sponge and then go over contour to get rid of any harsh line on my face. Taking the Sacha Buttercup to set my concealer with it. To clean out the powder underneath my eyes. So I'm going to switch to a bigger brush and then going in with this one right here. This is closer to my skin tone, and then using that to set the rest of my face. So now I'm going to move on to the eyes. I'm taking the brush I used to apply the black eyeshadow, and as you can see it has a little bit of the product on it, of the black eyeshadow on it. So I'm going to take that at the corner, at the outer corner of the eyes, and then applying that there. And I'm taking the brush I used for the pink shade and then taking a little bit of that. So I'm going to, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to press the tip of the brush this way and then applying that, doing the same thing I did on my lip. And so I'm gonna take this pencil brush and then taking the yellow shade and then applying that right here. I'm going to line my waterline with this black eyeliner pencil. So this is one tip. If you close your eyes whilst you're applying your eyeliner, it's going to apply both the waterline and then the upper lash line. I hope I'm making sense. You see the difference it makes. This is very beautiful. That's my contour with this one right here, with this circular motions, not too harsh. And then the forehead. So next I'm going to move on to highlights, and I'm using this palette right here. This thing here is very beautiful. It's the Huda Beauty highlight and eyeshadow palette. You can use it on your eyes as well. The glow I get out of this palette is bomb, like it's very good. It comes in different shades, so I'm gonna go in with this one right here. Here's some on the brush and then sweeping it on the cheeks, and then the rest on the brush I'm going to highlight the tip of my nose as well. Now I'm going to set the face with the NYX setting spray, and then whilst it dries down I'm going to go ahead and line my lips. And for my lipstick I'm going to be using the Desi and Katie collab lipstick, and this is the shade. And then going in with a little bit of gloss on top of it. And that is it for this look, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching. I really like the way this look turned out. I wasn't expecting it to turn out this way, and I really enjoyed the process. It was fun and very stressful at the same time, but I'm happy it turned out this way. If you think I nailed this look, then don't forget to thumbs up this video. Let me know in the comment section what you think, and if you have any suggestions as well, please let me know in the comment section down below. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, turn on your post notification bell to be notified whenever I upload new videos, and hopefully I will see you in the next video. Bye.